Who's making noise? We are going to Water Valley, Mississippi. We're talking offensive lineman, no other than my guy Kyjuan Hervey, Mr. 100 Pancakes himself. Load him up, stack him up. He's going to get the job done. This kid is quick off the ball, big time upper body strength, great lower body drive, and he just finishes every block to a T. You line anybody up in front of him, he's going to put them on their backside. I wanted to say the other word, but I can't. So, let's get back to business. Kyjuan Hervey, he's making noise, baby.